Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Get away from the hustle and bustle of city living, relax and enjoy the fresh air, and encapsulate the scenic views around you of Mother Nature, the birds, the trees, and the peaceful view of the beach right from your home. This newly built, prestigious, contemporary style home has a two-story main house with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a self-contained flat, which can be used as a guest or helper's quarters. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, and laundry room. The home sits on almost half an acre of land and located in the quiet neighborhood of Spring Gardens, Buff Bay, Portland. It is 1 minute drive from the highway, 3 minutes walk to the beach, and 15 minutes drive to the aerodrome. Put your personal touch in this home to make it your own. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 770,000 or Jamaican $118.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.